Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix error on Evite app. Now if you're facing the error on Evite app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to fix the login error or any kind of error on Evite app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi, then you may also face such kind of error. So click on the Wi-Fi box and make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi or your mobile data. But you are still connected, and if that is not working, then you may click on the airplane mode and simply reset the network settings for 1 second or 2 seconds and try to use the app again. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to open the app store on a device and you need to click on the option of search, and from there you need to search Evite app. So search the Evite app and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, then that may also be the reason that you are not being able to use the Evite party invitation maker app. So if it is in the latest version, then you need to open settings and click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on it, and under that you need to scroll until you find the option of Evite. So scroll down, and this is the Evite app where you'll see the option like offload app or delete app. So click on the option of offload app, and by offloading the app it will help you to fix the errors which you are trying to use or you are trying to log in. And if you are facing such kind of errors, then it will help you to fix the errors which in your app. So that's it. That's how you can fix the error on Evite app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.